Salamat po sa mga tumatambay sa aming live stream. Pwede po kayo mag-comment sa ibang po naming videos para doon po namin kayo mabalikan, lalo na po para sa mga kabayan. Sa mga kabayan o ibang mga to other content creators or small YouTubers starting to grow in YouTube. If you're interested for us to support you as well, you can comment in our other videos so we can subscribe to your channel. Yeah. So we are giving back the favor. We can do that as well, guys and dolls.
Something just say like this.
Read this, read. For grown-ups, enter the numbers shown below to access. What is this number? Basahin mo. 7.
7.
Oh, pinag mo 7.
7.
Oh, what's next to 7?
9.
9. Yes. Oh, there's another one. 7, 9. 9 again. Tututo ka magbasa
9
yan.
again.
Yes, correct. Oh, that's okay na.
Yeah. Wow. What's this? What's this, mommy?
Message from Dave. We inspire you to do good in people. Our goal, finding our... No, it's just a story. You can go back na.
Okay.
You can go back to your games. Comment our other videos because sorry we cannot put the chat here in our live stream. In our other live stream. So see you in our other live streaming.